Going on YouTube, it's your boy Brian Felix here. Y'all know what time it is. It's another day, another dollar, man. I look stressed out. Man, just be, you know what I mean? Just bear with me, you guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna try to talk to y'all real quick because I'm just going through a lot, and I wanted you guys to know, move up a little bit. I'm actually in the drive-thru. I'm about to get some coffee and some breakfast because I'm hungry. Been up since 5 in the morning, and I'm just irritated, stressed out, and just, oh man. But anyways, the reason why I'm going through some stuff right now is simply because people aren't. It's hard finding quality. It's hard finding quality people, right? Like, you guys have seen it. I'm documenting. Like, you might not. I might not say each and every time, but I always, like most videos, I have a new person, a new guy coming in, and I don't know if this is a bad look on me or bad look on my business because I'm like sharing my experience and stuff and kind of like talking down. Anyways, let me order real quick. I'll catch you guys in a bit. So back to what I was saying. I don't know if this is a good look on my business because I'm going through these people and you guys are seeing their faces and stuff like that, and then I kind of feel like I look bad because I'm sitting here talking like, damn, it's hard finding quality people. But it's just the honest truth, man. Like, people just, they either don't show up, they either detail and don't even try, right? And I'm being patient with these people. Like, I'm really trying to be patient and give them the benefit of the doubt. But at the end of the day, like, it's my business, so you know I love this more than anything, right? So I want to find people that at least love it to a certain extent, right? And all these people, like, recently have just been like kind of like just trying to find a check, chase a check. And this is what I'm telling them too. I don't know, I might have to pay more, I don't know. So I'm telling them, like, hey, I have a 2-week training period, right? I start you off at $11 an hour. It's really not that difficult. I don't have them doing anything besides vacuuming and doing wheels, right? That's all you have to do as a beginner. Like, you don't have to detail, do windows. You don't have to like nothing. All you got to do is vacuum and do the wheels. And sure, you might have to help, do some little stuff here and there, like wiping off wax or something like that. But it's not like I'm asking these people for like the world. And it's just insane to me how none of them are like being qualified or making the cut. It's just stressful. And yeah, man. But anyways, I'm gonna go help Victor. I'm getting lunch right now. I mean, some breakfast right now, and I'm gonna go help Victor out because he's by himself. So yeah, Victor's my cousin too. If you guys didn't know, Victor's my cousin, and he's been solid. So he's always like communicated with me if anything's going on. He's always like, bro, this is happening, and I find a solution, and we just work things out like that. But Victor is leaving soon, so this is why I'm trying to hire people and find somebody new. So back to what I was saying. So like Victor, when we first started, right, I sat down with him and we kind of just talked it up, like, yo, bro, like how long do you want to help me out? Because he's helping me out, right? He's not trying to detail long term. He's just being like, he's just showing love to me and just trying to help me build the business up to a certain level, right? And he's done that. We've been killing it. Like, we've been crushing it, right? But I know we could do so much more if we had some more people that were like Victor or solid. You know what I mean? So that way I can focus on building the business and like buying another van, or have 2 guys on 1 van, me having my own van, and just being out and about detailing cars, making more money, right? That's the goal. That's the plan, right? It's not like I don't want to be out here detailing. Like, detailing is the fun part. I would rather be out here working all day, right? But realistically, me as a businessman, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, I cannot be out here detailing cars because that's not helping my businesses in any way to grow, right? Now, I don't want to micromanage or anything like that either. Like, I don't want to be on top of these guys, pause, all the time, just like, hey, you missed a spot, you did this, you didn't do that. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of just, and like thinking like a lot is going through my head right now. But yeah, I got me some iced coffee, so it's all good. If you guys didn't know, my favorite iced coffee is caramel. Like, if I can get some caramel iced coffee, my day is completely changed. So we got some from Dunkin' Donut. I usually go to Wawa, but this was closer to the client, and I don't want to go too far. out of route. So yeah, Dunkin' Donuts it is. Gonna go ahead and eat this food, drink this coffee, head off to Victor, and I'll catch you guys there, man. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys for listening to my rant. I feel like I have to say this because I feel like it helped you out, right? So hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next well, not the next one. Catch you guys when we get to the climb. All right, so I'm sitting here eating, right? And I'm just thinking, right? I feel like I didn't say certain things, so I wanted to say hiring or trying to hire employees gets very expensive, right? Especially when you don't pick the right people. So this is why I'm trying to be very particular about who I bring on. Big example, right? So we had this guy, he was pretty consistent with showing up, right? Which is probably like, something you look for when you're hiring people. You want them to be consistent and show up. This guy was showing up, but there's a big but. He wasn't detailing correctly, right? And what this was doing was having us to do a lot of redos, right? Having to go back in the schedule, right? Having to like move backwards instead of keep moving forward. So that's costing me money there. It's costing me time and money to having to move these clients that I have for today for tomorrow, and then going back and doing those calls all over again, right? So another example, right? They can, they can just ruin your reputation, So it's just very hard, to kind of like hire the perfect quality person because my business is all about quality. So there's a lot of ways that you can go wrong with hiring the wrong person, and I'm just trying to help you guys out. So just keep that in mind too. All right, so I'll be honest with you guys. I didn't get to record a lot of content, afterwards. I just had a lot going on in my head, and just we had 3, 4 cars to do this day, so I kind of just, focused on the client for the day. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Hustle never settle. Stay positive and leave nothing but positive comments down below. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.